Google just dropped the Pixel Watch 4, and this is not just an upgrade. This is a complete reinvention of the smartwatch. From a mind-blowing domed Actua 360 display to being the first ever smartwatch with standalone satellite communication, and yes, Gemini AI is literally just a wrist raise away. Today we're diving into everything new, why this watch is packed with firsts, and whether it might just be the most important smartwatch launch of the year. First up, the design. Google kept the iconic circular shape, but this is the biggest redesign yet. The Pixel Watch 4 introduces the Actua 360 display, and this isn't just marketing speak. The glass itself is domed, giving you a 10% larger active area and bezels that are 16% thinner. Oh, and the brightness? 3000 nits. That's 50% brighter than before, which means you can finally check your stats in direct sunlight without squinting. Under the hood, it's powered by the new Snapdragon W5 Gen 2 wearable platform, paired with Google's next-gen ML-powered coprocessor. Translation, it's 25% faster while using half the power. Speaking of power, battery life just got a serious bump. You're looking at 30 hours on the 41mm model and 40 hours on the 45mm. Plus, the new quick charge dock gets you from 0 to 50% in just 15 minutes. That's a 25% faster charge compared to last gen. And here's something rare for smartwatches. The Pixel Watch 4 is now serviceable. That means a replaceable battery and display. Pair that with Corning Gorilla Glass, aerospace-grade aluminum, and 50 meters of water resistance, and you've got a smartwatch that's built to last. Now let's talk about the first that has everyone buzzing, standalone satellite communication. The Pixel Watch 4 LTE is the first ever smartwatch that can connect directly to satellites. That means if you're off the grid and you lose cell service, you can still contact emergency services. This could literally be life-saving for hikers, travelers, or anyone who finds themselves in a tough spot. On the health side, Google went all in. You're getting 18% more accurate sleep tracking using new machine learning models. A brand new skin temperature sensor that helps spot changes in your well-being. Dual frequency GPS for the most accurate route tracking yet, even in dense cities or forests. Real-time cycling stats streamed directly to your handlebars. And over 50 exercise modes, including newcomers like pickleball and basketball. And here's the big one. Google is introducing a personal AI health coach powered by Gemini. This coach gives you proactive fitness and sleep guidance uniquely tailored to your metrics and lifestyle. Think of it as a 24/7 health coach always on your wrist. And yes, Gemini is here. With Raise to Talk, all you need to do is lift your wrist. No "Hey Google," no button presses. Just raise, ask, and get answers instantly. Whether you're carrying groceries, walking the dog, or mid-run, Gemini is ready to assist, hands-free. The Pixel Watch 4 starts at $349 for the 41mm Wi-Fi model and goes up to $499 for the 45mm LTE with satellite. Pre-orders are live now, with launch day on October 9th. So the question is, with all these firsts, the domed display, the battery gains, satellite communication, and Gemini AI, is this finally the smartwatch to beat Apple and Samsung? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech.